So as I step out here, there's stuff falling from the sky. Looks like ash or something. Not sure if you can see it. There's smoke in the sky. A hell of it. They're all down the street. Here's where the smoke is. There's a lot of smoke. Seems to all be coming from that way. But again, most of the smoke is coming from here. But all this white things that look like ash is falling down from the sky. It's right over us. Part of it's right over us. Yeah, just be safe out there, folks. Be safe out there today. We got a fire, it seems. And it's right in my backyard. Stay safe, guys.